Okay, now let's check out these wire questions also. Now we have to simplify 43 is power y plus 5 to be equals to 49 is power 2y. Now for this other side, we have 1 divided by 3 raised to power 5n multiplied by 9 raised to power n minus 1 and 27n plus 1. Now let's start with this. Now the first thing to do here, now this 343 and 49, you can express the two values and 49 in the power of 7. In the power of 7. You can express it this way. Now, 343 is 7 raised to power 3. So we have this other side, y plus 5, to be equals to 7 raised to power 2y. So we have 7. Now let's open the bracket. So we have 3y plus 15. We have this to be 7 4y. Now from here, so the base can cancel out the base. So you have 3y plus 15 to be 4y. Now, collecting the like terms, you can have 15 to be 4y plus 3y. And the 15 will be equals to y. So we have y to be equals to 15. And this will be the answer. And for the other side also, we have 1 divided by 3 raised to power 5n multiplied by 9 raised to power n minus 1, then multiplied by 27n plus 1. Now, from our law of indices, when you have s raised to power 1, is the same thing with 1 over s. So this expression here, then this becomes 3 raised to power minus 5n. So multiply by. Now we can express this in the power of 3 also. Your 9 is 3 squared, and which is this n minus 1. Then 3 raised to power 3 n plus 1. So it becomes 3 raised to power 5 n multiplied by 3. Now let's open the bracket. So you have 2n minus 2. And here you have 3n plus 3. So this becomes, now they have a common base. They have a common base. So it will be 3 raised to power 5n. From the law of indices, like multiplication becomes what? In the common addition. So this will be plus 2n minus 2, then plus 3n plus 3. So this will be 3 raised to power 5n plus 2n minus 2 plus 3n plus 3. So we have 3. Now, we can calculate the like terms. Minus 5n plus 2n plus 5n. Let me just begin together. We have minus 5n plus 2n plus 3n minus 2 plus 3. So minus 5n plus 2n minus 3n. Everything is gone. Like 0n. So you have minus 2 plus 3. So you have 3 raised to power 1. And the answer is equals to 3. And that's all.